Well guys, just had the Split Fire 3206 delivered, and it's in the truck, and we beat any tariffs that could have been. So excited to use this thing, and it'll probably be at least a week before I can use it. So, but it's secured, it's in the truck, and hopefully we'll get it out to the lot later on. Thing's pretty big, so from one end of the truck to the other, so that's about 6.3 feet is what this bed is, and it fits just edge to edge. So yeah, pretty long. I might have a problem getting that in the garage, but we'll we might set it outside on this pallet for a bit until we figure something out. So yeah, pretty excited guys.